Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sinta Sari with name 121202023. I'm from Islamic Education Religious class 2F. Here I will review movie Ayat Cinta 1 ya. One mention of the main and supporting actor and figures of the Ayat Cinta film. Okay, Fedi Nuril as Fahri bin Abdullah, Rianti Kartuaig as Aisyah, Karissa Putri as Maria, Melanie Putri as Nurul Azkia, as Jaskia Diameka as Naura, Marini as Madam Nahid, Surya Saputra as Uncle Iqbal, Rudy Waror as Mr. Adele, Penny Bauti as Mr. Adele's wife, Mike Wijaya as Umi Fathi, Leroy Osmani as Amru, Oka Antara as Syaipul, Dennis Adiswara as Rudy, Andreas Sullivan as Hamdi, Selen Fernandez as Bahadur, Haji Mohtar Sam as Sheikh Usman, Haji Endang as Ustazah Maimunah, Sito Resmi Prabu Ningrat as Fahri's mother, Budi Ros as Fahri's father, Sinta as Fahri's sister, Aldo Bamar as Sheikh Ahmad, Ahmad Setiadi as Ustaz Zalal. Fahri bin Abdul Siddiq, students who are completing their master studies at the oldest university in the world, Al-Azhar, an unpretentious young man who holds fast to his principle of life and honor, smart and sympathetic to make some girls fall in love, faced with interesting surprise at the choice of his mark. Aisyah, failed French student of German and Turkish descent, intelligent, beautiful, and rich. His family's twisting background brought him together with Fahri. Maria, non-Muslim girl who fell in love with Islam. He loves Fahri very much, but his love is only expressed through his diary, which then makes him suffer because of that love. Noura, torture has become a part of his life. The fetus he was carrying made her obsessed with Fahri to become the father of the future baby. Nurul Azkia, Nurul Azkia bin Ja'far Abdul Razak Kiai's son, grew up in the East Java with a calming aura, intelligent and quality that unites all the strength. Is very confident to propose to Fahri as her husband. Fahri bin Abdullah is an Indonesia student trying to get his mother's degree at Al-Azhar. Makes friends with the head and dust of Egypt, studying with various targets and sympathetic of life, survived by becoming a translator of religious books. Studying in Egypt allowed Fahri to get to know Maria, Noura, and Aisyah. Maria is a neighbor of Fahri Flat, who is a Coptic Christian but admires the Quran and admires Fahri. Admiration turned into love. Unfortunately, Maria's love is only poured out in a diary. Meanwhile, Nurul is the son of a famous Yai, who is also studying at Al-Azhar. Actually, Fahri drama hard on these sweet girls. It's a shame that his inferiority complex, which is only a descendant of farmers, has never shown any feelings to Nurul. Meanwhile, Nurul becomes doubtful and always gracious. Meanwhile, Nurul is Fahri's neighbor, whom his own father always checks on. Fahri fully empathizes with Noura and wants to help her. This empathy, no more. But Noura expects more, and later this becomes a big problem, and Noura accuses Fahri of raping her. And the last one is Aisyah, the beautiful ace that bewitched Fahri, sign an incident in the metro where Fahri defended Islam from accusation of being conservative and rigid. Aisha fell in love with Fahri, and Fahri also cannot lie to the heart. Fahri was on his way to the Abu Bakr as-Siddiq mosque located in Subra al-Khaimah, north end of Cairo, for talaqi to Sheikh Uthman, a sheikh who is the quite famous in Egypt. By talking the metro, Fahri hoped that he would arrive on time in the Abu Bakr as-Siddiq mosque. It was in the metro that he met Aisha. Aisha at that time was sold and crushed by the Egyptians for giving her seat to an American grandmother. Was helped by Fahri. Fahri Skinner helped made a significant impression on Aisha. They got acquainted, and it turns out that Aisha is an Egyptian girl, but a German girl who is also studying in Egypt. In Egypt, Fahri lived with his four friends who are also from Indonesia. They are Saiful, Rudy, Hamdi, and Misbah. They live in a simple apartment that has floors, where the ground floor is where Fahri and his four friends live, while the upper floor is occupied by Catholic Christian family who is also their neighbor. This family consists of Mr. Bouthers, Madame Nahid, and their two children, namely Maria and Yusuf. Although their beliefs and Aqidah and are different, Fahri's family and Mr. Bouthers have a very good relationship. Fahri and Maria are very close friends. Fahri calls Maria a strange Coptic girl. How could he not? Maria was able to memorize Surat Al-Maidah and Surah Maryam. Apart from being neighbor with the Bouthers family, Fahri also has other neighbors who are black and whose temperament is comparable to 108 degrees with the Bouthers family. The head of this family is Bahadur. His wife is Madame Shaima, and his children are Mona, Susanna, and Nora. Bahadur, Madame Shaima, Mona, and Susanna often fortune Nora because Nora appearance and hair color are different from theirs. Nora is white and has blonde hair. Yes, Nora fat and unfortunate. One night, Nora Bahadur expelled from the house. Nora was dragged into the street while being wiped. The cry is pitiful. Fahri could not bear to see Nora treated like this by Bahadur. He asked Maria via a message to help Nora. Fahri cannot help Nora directly because Nora is not his mother. Maria also helped Nora that night. They brought Nora to his flat. Fahri and Maria tried to find out who the real Nora family is. They believe Nora, Sun Bahadur, and Madame Shaima, and right, Nora is not their child. For Nora was finally able to gather with the people who loves her. He is very grateful to Fahri and Maria. Meanwhile, Aisyah couldn't forget the kind-hearted young man willing to help her in the metro at that time. Aisyah seemed to fall in love with Fahri. He asked his uncle Iqbal to set him up with Fahri. Incidentally, Iqbal's uncle knew Fahri and Sheikh Usman. With the help of Sheikh Usman, Fahri chose to marry Aisha. Hearing the news of Fahri's marriage, Nurul became very disappointed. His uncle and aunt had come to Fahri's house to tell him that his nephew really loved Fahri, but too late. Fahri will soon marry Aisha. Oh no! Oh, how unfortunate is Nurul fate. and Fahri's marriage to Aisyah took place. Fahri and Aisyah decided to spend mother in a beautiful apartment for a few weeks. After returning from his honeymoon, Fahri received a surprise from Maria and Yusuf. Maria and her sister come to Fahri's house to give a wedding gift, but Maria looked thinner and gloomy. Indeed, when Fahri and Aisyah got married, the Butters family was on vacation. As a result, when they heard that Fahri had belonged to another woman and no longer lived in the flat, Maria was very big. Uh, Fahri and Aisha's happiness did not last long because Fahri had to serve a prison sentence for violating Nora. Nora is hurt when Fahri decided to marry Aisyah. At the trial, Nora, who was pregnant, proved that the fetus she was carrying has Fahri's child. Fahri lawyers can't do anything because he doesn't have solid evidence yet to hold his client from all charges. Fahri also had to languish in prison for several weeks. The only key witness who can escape Fahri from Nora's scandal is Maria. It was Maria who was with Nora that night. The night Nora referred to in court as the night Fahri raped her. But Maria was driving helplessly, her touch to unrequited love due to falling ill. There is no other way. At Aisha's insistence, Fahri married Maria. Aisha hoped. By hearing the voice and feeling the touch of Fahri's hand, Maria would wake up from the long coma, and Aisha will come through Maria and open her eyes and then to prove the evidence in court. As a result, Fahri was free from Nora's accusation. In other words, Fahri can leave the terrible prison. Nora regret the pleasant need. With a big show, Fahri forgave Nora, and it was revealed that the father of the baby in Nora's womb was Bahadur. Fahri, Aisha, and Maria were able to lead their household well. Aisha considers Maria as her sister, as well as Maria, who respect Aisha like another sister. No one expected that would finally snake Maria, but Maria was lucky because before her death, she had become a convert. From the book, we know that Fahri always takes care of himself in the mind of the women who are close to him. Fahri did this because of this love for the Almighty. Fahri tries to be consistent with the principle and religious teaching that the adheres to. Fahri's love for religion and the Creator led him to Aisyah's love. By Allah's permission, Fahri and Aisyah were united under the umbrella of sincere love, hoping for his pleasure. Uh, Ayat-Ayat Cinta film in published on the 28th of February 2008. In this film, the author conveys the several things that are sensitive issues relate to the life of the nation on state. For example, regarding the government's attention to the lives of Indonesian studies who are study and get scholarship abroad, or how could Muslim view the caliphate, or the other critics of the inconsistent of the regime in Palestine, so that the conflict, which is also not finished. Don't forget, the author also conveys a light message about how to pray while traveling. In the end, the author refers through Fahri to voice how the teaching of Islam actually able to be effective nicely in this world. If the view if the Western view of Islam is negative, so this novel is as well. Likewise, for the Muslim themselves, with this movie, various view about the most correct must be ended. The benefit after watching this film is obedience in the to always worship Allah and devote oneself and be fierce and valiant in facing trials. Thank you. Sorry. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.